Hi there, this is the story of Richtech Robotics, ticker symbol RR. Right now the market cap is about $1 billion and the price over $5.26. And the most important question is whether this company is a great investment at the current valuation. And the answer, of course, you will find it in this box. During this video, I'll open the box and I'll find the answer here. Now, to understand my answer, first we have to look at the revenue, what they do, what they've done, and what's their next steps. So if you look at the revenue over the last 3 years and a half, revenue 6 million, 8 million, 4 million, 24, and for the last 9 months, 3.6 million. Now, let's compare the revenue. Let's take the higher number, 8 million, right? Compare this number, revenue, 8 million revenue, with the current market cap. 1 billion, over 1 billion. So don't you think it's overvalued? And if you look at their earnings, no profits, only losses. At least they have small losses for the first 2 years, 22, 23. A high loss compared to the revenue 24 over 8 million. But again, for the last 9 months of 2025, their losses have increased to over $12 million. And this is way too much. I mean, they make 3 million in revenue, 3.6. They spend all that money, and on top of that, you also add another 12 million. So this is quite a red flag. Now, let's look at their balance sheet. Maybe there is something there to justify this high market cap over 1 billion and this high price over $5. Cash, $85 million. This is good, but still not enough compared to their market cap. So they have enough money, a lot of money to fund their future research and their costs. This company won't go bankrupt unless they do stupid things, acquire other companies unprofitable with huge losses, and they might face problems. But for the next years, they have enough cash to survive, pay their employees, their managers, and continue their research. And the good part is that they have no debt. So enough money to survive. Now, for some people who don't know what this company does, they design and sell AI-powered robots. For instance, they have some models. Adam, bartender. Medbot is like a table, but more intelligent. And Dusty is like a vacuum. I mean, for sure you've seen more vacuum robots on the internet, on Amazon and so on. Something like that. And here is the thing. 42% of the revenue comes from product sales, so they sell these products. And 43% of the revenue comes from maintenance, to offer maintenance to their products. And 19% leasing. They offer this service, robots as a service, where customers pay a monthly subscription and they can use their robots. But they also get maintenance. So in this way, they make money. Now, as there is a high demand for robots, cheaper labor, maybe in the future, for the moment, they're high costs. There is also a lack of some workers in different domains. And because of this, and also AI boom, the stock price of this company went up a lot. And more recently, if you look at this company, their press releases, the news, they announced a new product called DEX, powered by NVIDIA. Nowadays, every time you see a company has a partnership of collaboration with NVIDIA, the stock price of that company goes up a lot. And that happens. There are many companies out there. Just check it for yourself. Or if you have a company, whatever, a business, small business, just say to the market, you have a partnership with NVIDIA and your valuation will go to the moon. Now, let's look at the reality. at the risk first, because when you invest, you want to make money, but not losing anything. If you look at their new product, just search on X platform, you will see a robot like Adam, bartender, but with claws. I mean, when I saw the product, the robot isn't something special or different than the other products or what's on the market. Even worse, in my opinion. The best robots are from Unitree. If you want to follow the development of robotics, and of course Optimus, which is on top of Unitree. And maybe from China, we'll see more companies there. Now, here is the thing. You have a lot of cash. Yes, they may continue to do some research, increase their revenue if they can, but still their earnings for sure will be with minus. And here is another thing. If you look at the number of shares, 44 million, 64 million, 95 million, 98 million. So you can easily see they double the number of shares in the last 3 years and a half. So you have dilution. Now the most important question is how? I mean, ask for yourself, think for yourself. How did they get all this money? Over 85 million when the revenue is less than $10 million. How come? Well, they raise money from the public markets, issued shares, raise money from investors like us, common investors, and use that money to fund their research and development and grow the business. Now, here is the problem. They are in the early stages. So, early stages. They can't expand this business more because they still have to focus on the research to improve their robots, to make them more suitable for human work, to handle human tasks. And after that, we can discuss about expansion. But for the moment, they focus on the research. Yes, you can see a lot of releases, new products. But tell me, look at their products, their video. Are these robots really useful? Really useful? Do they do a better job than humans? I wonder about that. In my view, they still have to invest in research to make the jump from claws to hands, real hands, fingers. If you look at Unitree, they already have that. They still use claws. Anyway, this is just an indicator. Just look at the robots. And after they make this jump in research, at least to have some hands, fingers, and also they're able to do some useful work, then we can talk about expansion. But till then, don't expect a lot from this company. And right now, to open the box and show you the answer, my answer, this is my answer. No, this company is not a great investment. There is a lot of risk. Right now, it's fueled by speculation, especially from AI boom and NVIDIA partnership. And simply compare the revenue with the market cap. 10 million with market cap over 1 billion. You see it from the Mars, that this is extremely overvalued. Now, if you want to go ahead, invest in this company, go ahead, you might make some money. By the way, the current valuation is unlikely to have another 10x or 5x, low chances. No chances, to be honest with you. But if you want real investment ideas, where you can really make money with no losses, simply go to my profile, press join, and choose Titan Investor. And there you have access to my portfolio, where my performance over the last 4 years, annual performance, has been over 40% a year. That's great, much better than the S&P 500. And you also get access to an investing course, how to avoid those companies, like those speculations, other in-depth analysis at your request. If you want me to analyze another company, I will make a new video only for you. And of course, bonus, access to the previous level, Spartan and Gladiator. Now, there are some people that really want to invest in this company, Richtech Robotics. And if you give me $1 million and tell me, John, you are only allowed to invest in this company and make a profit, what price would you pay? And the answer to that question will be available for members. Go to my profile, press join and choose Spartan members, where the price is lower. So see you there.